What's up, everybody? I'm Albie13. Okay, so we're bringing in some Python code from our editor, first thing, and it's being put into ChatGPT. When you go into Canvas using that button, basically what you notice is that the code is highlighted there with a different color coding for the different parts of the code, which is helpful when you're learning Python. The user is going to go ahead and ask for ChatGPT to debug the code. There's an issue with this code, so let's go ahead and wait for that. Okay, so it went ahead and identified that there's a label that doesn't exist in the library, matplotlib. So in the editor here on the right, there is there's the ability for you to run Python code. Okay. But since there's an error in this program, when we try to run it, you're going to see that it's going to produce the error. Okay? So the error has been produced, and what is actually happening is the AI is actually responding to this error. On the left side, there's a little icon there of the error. There's like a number 1, and it's going to be highlighted and shown right now in a moment. So now the AI is responding. The error that actually occurred while we tried to run the program is because the label is not a valid function. So this is really good for when you're learning Python and you're dealing with a small program. You can use all these tools to help you. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the fix bug button that's there. So the AI has a fix for it. When you click the fix bug button like so, now the AI is actually going in and going line by line from the top down and correcting the code as it needs to be corrected so that it fixes the error. And it's explaining what's happening, what it's doing on the left side in text, in chat. So when we click that button up there to show the difference, you're seeing the line that was changed, basically. Hide and show the changes. So that's really good, usually, to be able to look at what changed. Finally, we're going to run the program inside ChatGPT, and you can see that's what it produces.